In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use spaces in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Wrike or looking to enhance your project management skills, understanding how to navigate spaces will be invaluable. So, let's dive right in. First things first, begin by logging into your Wrike account. If you're not already logged in, simply click on the login button on the home page. This will bring you to the login page where you'll have various options to access your account. For ease, choose to log in using Google by clicking on the Google icon. Select your account from the list of available Google accounts to proceed. This streamlined method bypasses the need for entering a password manually and instantly takes you to your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll notice a left-hand panel on your screen. This is your navigation menu, central to accessing different sections of Wrike. From here, find the section labelled Spaces. Click on Spaces to access this feature. Spaces in Wrike serve as collaborative work areas where you can organise various projects, files and tasks specific to a team or department. It forms the hub of all your team's work and enhances collaboration by providing a dedicated area for specific goals. As you explore the Spaces section, you'll notice 3 dots displayed near the top of the section. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. They might not seem like much at first glance, but they're packed with functionality. Clicking on them opens a drop-down menu that gives you further options to manage your spaces efficiently. In this drop-down menu, you will find an option titled All My Spaces. Select this option. It provides a convenient overview of all the spaces available to you, allowing you to quickly switch between different projects or departments without hassles. This is particularly useful if you're juggling multiple teams or if you have a lot of different activities going on at once. Once you've selected All My Spaces, you'll want to access the Space Overview. Click on Space Overview and you'll be taken to a comprehensive page where the magic happens. This is where you'll find all the tools and features necessary for managing your space effectively. Here in the Space Overview, you have a plethora of options at your disposal. You can add new spaces to your dashboard if your organization grows or projects diversify. Additionally, you can import and export data, enabling seamless integration of your work processes across various platforms. And if a space is no longer active, you can archive it to keep your workspace tidy and organized. That's a wrap on how to use spaces in Wrike. Thanks to this tutorial, you now have the know-how to efficiently manage your team's projects and resources. Stay tuned for more Wrike tips and helpful guides.